Hey, Will here from PPC Coach. Wanted to shoot a quick video here to show you something. So there's an issue that people have when they're running print-on-demand products, and that is you run a lot of tests. So you do up a product, say you're doing a coffee mug. So let's just show you what happens here. So say you do a coffee mug, and you get it all set up, and you run some tests, and then you get like a sale or two, and you spend like maybe $50, and you're like, well, it's got some potential, but it's not quite working. So here's what I suggest. Take the same design that you used on the coffee mug and create 4 more variations. So now you've got 5 total designs for that coffee mug. Now, create the same coffee mug. So say you go in here and you launch it and you're doing like a white one, 11 ounce, priced at $19.95. So you make like $15 per sale. So you would upload the 4 new designs to this same mug, and then I would always go in and add like a 15-ounce option as well. But now you've got 4 new tests that you can run on the same design or the same quote, put it that way. So you've got your quote, it's kind of working on the white mug, not quite. Maybe people don't like the design. Maybe they want a little bit of a variation of it. So you create 4 variations of the design with the same quote on that product. That's fine. Now what you can do too is you can say, okay, I've got my white basic one. Now I'm going to do this one. I'm going to do a two-tone. And you put the 5 new designs on the 5 designs onto this one. Okay, so now you've got a total of like 10 designs that you with the same quote that you've tested on a bunch of different products. Okay, you can also change the colors of these too, or you could just add these colors to this existing one. I think the black one is the best one personally. And then you say, okay, that's cool, that's neat, but let's go back here. And let's go to launch again. And then you say, okay, so I've got this quote, it's working. So now let me put that on a travel mug. And you launch the 5 new designs that you got for the same quote onto this travel mug. So what you end up with, let me pull up my little screen here. So you've got one test campaign. And it was, 1 or 2 sales, not profitable, but close. So next step, just to summarize, create 4 new designs with the same quote, and then test the 4 new ones on the same product, say 11-ounce white mug, for example. And then what you're going to do is test the 5 designs on a 2-tone mug. And then test the 5 designs on a travel mug. So now, bottom line, you have 15 tests running. One of those should be a winner. And this is assuming if the original test got like 2+ sales. Even if it got 1 sale, you can do it. So I'll put this, even if it got 1 sale, you can do this method too. So this is a way to just take something that is, I see it a lot in my forums where people have a design and they run a test and it gets 1 or 2 sales and then it kind of doesn't really take off. And it could just be that everybody really loves the quote, but they don't like the design. So just get 4 new ones done up, and you can use products like WordSwag, or you can use Photoshop, or you can use GIMP, or you can use Canva, whatever you want to do, or you can even hire a designer to do up 4 variations of it. And with stuff like coffee mugs, they're simple text-based designs, so they're very easy to use. But this method can take something that's like borderline and turn it into a big winner. Okay, so this is what I suggest you do when you have something that's kind of working but not quite. And this is not my idea. This is something that I got from my buddy, Bank, who actually has his own little blog over here. I'm going to show it. I'm going to give him full credit right here. So it's tinymarketinglab.com/the secret hack, find unicorn products on Gearbubble. He posted this on his blog. I suggest you do this because this guy does huge volume, so you're going to want to follow him too. But like I said, this is not my idea. This is his. I just love it. So I want to pass it on to everybody on my channel here on YouTube and all my members for my forums and anybody who follows me too. So follow this method and I think you'll do very well because it can turn kind of something that's borderline into a big winner. So report your findings in the comments. Let me know how it goes for you and go ahead and test it out. Have a great day. We'll talk to you soon.